Sunday Spark bike check. Got a Odyssey pivotal seat post. I'm not sure what the back rims are. They're single wall. Sunday sprocket, KMC chain, Odyssey twisted pedals, 3-piece cranks, rear wheel sealed, front one's not, integrated headset, Sunday top load stem, Odyssey slick brake cable, rush brake lever. I think they're Odyssey brake pads. This baby is blinging. Odyssey, Aaron Ross keyboard grips. Gonna get ODI soon. Gonna change the color up on the bike. It's not gonna be black. It's all gonna be like teal blue and the orange. This bike is sick.